starting from zero. Kind of.
So if you've been following our channel from the beginning, you know that our first love is real estate. We started as a house flipping channel and we talked a lot about real estate, rental properties, and overall investing. But over time, our videos evolved into more of a side hustle and reselling content, which we also love.
The reason that we started diving so heavily into reselling and side hustles on our channel is because we believe it's such a powerful way to get ahead financially. But real estate has changed our life more than anything else, so we want to continue to show that on our channel. There she is. So this house right behind me here is the first house we bought that we ever house hacked in. It's a duplex, so that means that we lived in half of it and rented out the other half, which over the course of the 2 years that we lived there saved us over $25,000 because we didn't have to pay the mortgage because the other half of our rental was actually paying for a mortgage. We bought this house for $125,000. We put about $25,000 into it. And then we ended up selling it about 2 years later for $274,000.
So we bought that house in 2016 and sold it in 2018, and times are obviously different now, and so you may be thinking that would be impossible for me to do today in 2023. So we're going to be starting a new series on our channel where we prove that it is possible to invest in real estate in 2023 and get ahead financially. We're going to be starting from zero through our friends Isaac and Kate.
My name's Isaac.
And I'm Kate. And I came across your channel back in May of this year, and let me tell you, I was hooked immediately. I started flipping furniture. Our first piece we got off of Facebook Marketplace for free. And then we tried a pallet flip, which was fun, and we were able to earn a little bit more. So since starting in May till now, we've been able to bring in an additional $4,000 of extra income.
Yeah, Kate and I, we live in Tampa, Florida. We work at a Christian children's home. We love doing it, but it is a base ministry salary.
So we could tell right away through this video that they were driven and willing to do what it takes to start investing and to get ahead financially. Isaac and Kate have been working extremely hard the past few years through side hustles to save up money, and they're finally ready to start investing.
We've always been interested in real estate, but we know nothing about it. Our idea is start from scratch vicariously through us.
So we are going to be mentoring them throughout this journey this year as they document it, and we are going to show you that it's totally possible to still invest in real estate and get ahead financially in 2023.
So we're extremely excited to get this series started, and we hope you find it educational as well as inspiring that you too can invest in real estate. So our plan is to give you an update on Isaac and Kate's progress about once a month so you can see their journey throughout 2023. They're already taking massive action and are well on their way to buying their first property.
And if you are interested in learning more about our real estate journey, we will leave a playlist below that shows how we make passive income and are financially independent through our rental portfolio.